Email marketing remains a cornerstone of successful digital marketing strategies. It has evolved over the years, adapting to new technologies and consumer behaviors, yet its core principles remain the same. It's a direct line to your audience's inbox, offering a unique opportunity to communicate directly with your customers. Unlike social media, where algorithms can limit your reach, email ensures your message lands right where it needs to be. Offering a personalized way to connect and nurture relationships, email marketing allows you to tailor your messages to individual preferences and behaviors. This level of personalization can significantly enhance engagement and build stronger connections with your audience. While social media platforms come and go, email has stood the test of time, proving its effectiveness in driving conversions and building brand loyalty. The longevity of email marketing is a testament to its reliability and adaptability in the ever-changing digital landscape. In today's crowded digital landscape, cutting through the noise is more important than ever. With countless notifications and messages vying for attention, email marketing provides a way to stand out and deliver your message directly to those who matter most. Email marketing provides a unique opportunity to deliver tailored messages directly to those who have shown interest in your brand. By leveraging data and insights, you can create highly targeted campaigns that resonate with your audience and drive meaningful engagement. This targeted approach fosters stronger connections and increases the likelihood of turning subscribers into loyal customers. When your audience feels understood and valued, they are more likely to engage with your brand and become repeat customers. The key to successful email marketing lies in understanding your audience and delivering value. By analyzing data and continuously refining your strategy, you can ensure that your emails are relevant, timely, and valuable to your recipients. By segmenting your email list and crafting compelling content, you can ensure that your messages resonate with recipients and inspire them to take action. Segmentation allows you to send the right message to the right person at the right time, increasing the effectiveness of your campaigns. Whether it's promoting a new product, sharing valuable insights, or simply staying top of mind, email marketing empowers you to engage with your audience on a deeper level and drive tangible results. Consistent and thoughtful communication can keep your brand at the forefront of your audience's mind. Remember, email marketing is not just about sending out mass blasts, it's about creating meaningful interactions and providing value to your subscribers. Avoiding the pitfalls of spammy and irrelevant content is crucial to maintaining a positive relationship with your audience. It's about building relationships, nurturing leads, and driving conversions through personalized and targeted communication. By focusing on the needs and interests of your audience, you can create emails that not only capture attention, but also inspire action. By harnessing the power of email marketing, you can effectively reach your target audience, boost conversions, and achieve your business goals. With the right strategy and execution, email marketing can be a powerful tool in your digital marketing arsenal, driving long-term success and growth for your business. Email marketing stands out as a powerful tool for generating leads and driving sales. Unlike other marketing channels, email allows you to directly reach individuals who have expressed interest in your brand. This targeted approach significantly increases the likelihood of converting prospects into paying customers. One of the key benefits of email marketing for lead generation is its ability to capture leads directly. By incorporating lead capture forms on your website or landing pages, you can encourage visitors to subscribe to your email list in exchange for valuable content, exclusive offers, or updates. Once you have a growing email list, you can nurture these leads over time with targeted email campaigns. By providing valuable information, addressing their pain points, and showcasing your expertise, you can build trust and establish your brand as a reliable source of information. As you continue to engage your subscribers with relevant content and offers, you'll naturally guide them through the sales funnel. Email marketing allows you to segment your audience based on their interests and behaviors, enabling you to send highly personalized messages that resonate with each individual and increase the chances of conversion. In the competitive world of email marketing, standing out is no easy feat. With countless businesses vying for attention in crowded inboxes, it takes a unique blend of strategy, creativity, and technology to truly make an impact. ReachGiant has emerged as a true industry leader, setting the standard for excellence in email marketing. Their journey to the top has been marked by innovation, dedication, and a relentless pursuit of results. As a top-rated agency on Fiverr, ReachGiant has earned a stellar reputation for delivering exceptional results for its clients. Their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction is evident in the glowing testimonials and high ratings they consistently receive. With a proven track record of success, the agency has helped businesses of all sizes generate over $30 million in revenue through highly effective email marketing campaigns. This impressive figure is a testament to their ability to drive tangible results and create significant value for their clients. What sets ReachGiant apart is its comprehensive approach to email marketing. They understand that a successful campaign requires more than just sending out generic emails. It involves a deep understanding of the client's business, their target audience, and the competitive landscape. The agency understands that a successful campaign requires more than just sending out generic emails. It's about crafting compelling content that resonates with the audience, targeting the right people at the right time, and leveraging the power of automation to streamline processes and maximize impact. It's about crafting compelling content, targeting the right audience, and leveraging the power of automation to streamline processes and maximize impact. ReachGiant's team of experts meticulously plans each campaign, ensuring that every email sent is purposeful and effective. ReachGiant's team of experienced email marketers combines their expertise with cutting-edge technology to deliver outstanding results. They stay ahead of industry trends and continuously refine their strategies to ensure they are always delivering the best possible outcomes for their clients. From crafting attention-grabbing subject lines that entice recipients to open the email, to designing visually appealing email templates that capture the essence of the brand and engage the audience, the agency leaves no stone unturned in its quest to create email campaigns that convert. Every element of the email is carefully considered and optimized for maximum impact. But ReachGiant's commitment to excellence goes beyond just crafting compelling emails. They understand that the true measure of success lies in the results, and they are dedicated to helping their clients achieve their business goals. The agency also provides valuable insights and analytics to help businesses track their progress and make data-driven decisions. By analyzing key metrics and performance data, they can identify what is working and what needs improvement. By continuously monitoring campaign performance and making necessary adjustments, ReachGiant ensures that its clients' email marketing efforts deliver the highest possible return on investment. Their proactive approach means that campaigns are always optimized for success, and clients can be confident that their marketing dollars are being well spent. In a world where email marketing can make or break a business, ReachGiant stands out as a beacon of excellence. Their success story is a testament to the power of strategic, data-driven, and creative email marketing. For businesses looking to elevate their email marketing game, ReachGiant is the partner of choice. One of the key factors contributing to ReachGiant's success is its focus on crafting expert-crafted emails and sequences. These emails are not just ordinary messages. They are meticulously designed to capture attention and drive action. The agency understands that the quality of your email content plays a crucial role in capturing the attention of your audience and driving conversions. High-quality content can make the difference between an email that gets ignored and one that sparks interest and engagement. ReachGiant's team of skilled copywriters has a deep understanding of email marketing best practices and knows how to write engaging and persuasive copy that resonates with readers. They are adept at crafting subject lines that entice recipients to open the email and body content that keeps them reading. They take the time to understand your brand, your target audience, and your campaign goals to create emails that are both informative and compelling. This personalized approach ensures that each email feels relevant and valuable to the recipient. But ReachGiant's expertise goes beyond just crafting individual emails. They understand that a single email is rarely enough to achieve significant results. Instead, they focus on creating comprehensive email sequences that build relationships and drive conversions over time. The agency also specializes in creating highly effective email sequences that nurture leads over time and guide them towards conversion. These sequences are carefully planned to deliver a series of messages that educate, engage, and persuade the recipient. These sequences are strategically designed to deliver the right message at the right time, based on the recipient's behavior and engagement level. By analyzing data and understanding how recipients interact with emails, ReachGiant can tailor the sequence to maximize impact. By providing valuable content, addressing objections, and offering compelling incentives, ReachGiant's email sequences effectively move leads through the sales funnel and increase the likelihood of converting them into paying customers. Each email in the sequence is crafted to build on the previous one, creating a cohesive and persuasive narrative. Whether you're looking to generate leads, promote a product, or simply stay top of mind, ReachGiant's expert-crafted emails and sequences can help you achieve your desired outcomes. Their approach ensures that your emails are not just seen, but also acted upon, leading to higher engagement and better results for your business. In today's competitive market, standing out in the inbox is more important than ever. ReachGiant's commitment to quality and strategic planning ensures that your emails not only reach your audience but also resonate with them, driving meaningful interactions and conversions. With ReachGiant, you can be confident that your email marketing efforts are in expert hands. Their team is dedicated to helping you achieve your marketing goals through well-crafted emails and sequences that deliver results. Trust ReachGiant to elevate your email marketing strategy and drive your business forward.